loved ones. I'm out here getting my steps in, and I wanted to turn the camera on real quick just to share something that was on my energy in the moment. I really like that. I like how it feels when I could just speak from my heart off the top based on what I'm feeling right there in the moment. But I'm speaking from experience based on different things that are happening in my personal life, in my own life, in my day-to-day life, right? Be on the lookout for sneaky validation. Be on the lookout for sneaky validation. What do I mean by sneaky validation? I'm gonna let you know. A lot of times we experience uncertainty about big decisions that we made, big ticket purchases, relationships that we're in, starting that business, a trip that we want to take, whatever the case may be, uncertainty. And instead of just keeping it tall and reaching out to your support system or somebody you trust and saying, hey, I just did a thing. I'm feeling a little uneasy about it. I'm not expecting you to validate it for me or confirm what I've done, but just, hear me out about it. I want your feedback. Like, instead of doing that, they project onto you. Oh, how old are you? You still leasing cars? You still paying a car? Oh, but how much money you say you make? You still renting? You don't own I'm sure glad I own my home. What's taking you so long? What you waiting on? Everybody, listen, bro. I'm living proof. A lot of you that are gonna scroll by this, you can reach out and touch me. I'm the same OG, baby. I'm the same B I've been being. Changing, growing, elevating, loving myself, loving life a lot more, but I'm still me. And my chicken don't spring. I got decades in this thing. Know what I'm talking about? I got decades. Don't you let anybody project their energy onto you like that in a negative way. It's a silent killer. And times is hard out here. Life is hard out here. Everybody's going through something. Everybody's fighting a battle. Some that you can see up close, but some you can't. Don't let anybody project that energy onto you like that. I'm living proof it ain't never too late to change. And like I said, those of you who really know me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It ain't never too late to make a change in your life. And don't ever allow somebody else to project onto you because they're uncertain and insecure about the choice they made. If home ownership is what you desire, you want to build some generational wealth, you got children, people you need to protect, I salute that. But that's your journey. Those are your concerns. Those are your goals. They aren't necessarily mine. So I won't allow you to project that onto me and make me feel like I'm less than or I'm less than successful. Don't ever let anybody looking for validation and confirmation projected onto you in a negative way because they're too insecure to say they're shook about what they did, because that's a lot of times what people want. They say misery loves company. Well, I'm learning too. Insecurity loves company. So be mindful of that. People who looking for that funny validation from you, but ain't ready to be real about it. Their goals are their goals. Their walk is their walk. Your journey is your unique and divine journey. So let that be the truth. You ever notice how people with the most opinions are doing the least to help? You ever notice that? The most opinionated people take the least amount of action. You can't make it up. Focus on you. Focus on yours. Focus on those who love you, who speak life into you, who are positive examples, who you could actually talk to on some real without the judgment. But don't let these people project their negative energy and fears onto you, tell you what you can't do. You can't make art. You can't make it in photography. You can't make it being a content creator. You too this, you too that. You not enough of this. You not enough of that. Not educated enough. Not qualified enough. That's not their place to say. Always stand up for what's right. Stand up for what's yours. Protect what's yours. Protect your peace. Protect your intellectual property. And don't ever allow that outside noise to be louder than the truth.